infectious disease physician, and also a mother of 2 elementary school boys. And I'm here today to talk about the Pfizer vaccine being approved for 5 to 11-year-olds. This is a huge milestone in the pandemic because this age group is the highest rising, has the highest rising rate of infections. We've had over 1 million infections in this age group since the onset of the Delta variant here in the US in the summer. And so it's really critical to get kids vaccinated. And in thinking through this, I know some parents might be feeling a little bit hesitant. And so I want to acknowledge that, but also want to share some critical facts. Most importantly, that the vaccine is safe and effective in this age group. The effectiveness rate is over 90% to prevent symptomatic disease in the kids in the trial, which were over 2,000 kids in the Pfizer trial. The other key fact is the safety. There were no cases of myocarditis or pericarditis in this age group in the clinical trial. In addition, the side effects that kids did experience were mild, including pain at the injection site and mild aches, pains, and fever chills for 1 to 2 days, but no significant side effects following that. And knowing that should be very reassuring to parents, especially with all of these kids being back in school and being exposed to each other, and especially with the cold weather that is hitting us now, which will move even more activities indoors. And the other key fact is that we have the holidays coming up, and with that, more families will be traveling and gathering, and with that, they will be exposing others from different parts of the country, and also more family members who may be immunocompromised or older and more at risk for severe COVID. So it's not just for the kids themselves, but for people that they're gonna be around in the next couple of months. The other thing is, I know as a parent, I've been itching to get my kids back to some more normal activities that they love to do and that truly enrich their lives. My 10-year-old loves to play basketball, and I kept him out of the basketball season last year, and gonna get him back in there once he's vaccinated. So for all of those reasons, we really should be lining up to get this vaccine for our children. And the other piece is the variants in the flu season, which will also potentially play into this. We can't predict what variants are coming down the line, but we do know that if we start to build an immune response now to COVID, that will protect our children in the future. And so it's important to start having these conversations with your kids, making sure they understand why it's important to get the vaccine, and prepping them for the day that they get to stand in line and pull up their sleeve.